Columbia, how's it going? So looking forward to coming here at the end of the month, January 26th at Murray's. We have an afternoon show, an evening show with my quartet, Jeff Leder on the reeds, Kurt Konefke on the cornet, Chris Lightcap on the contrabass, and a very special guest, John Medeski on piano. We have a new record that's coming out on January 21st. Got 4-star Hotbox sweep review and all kinds of great reviews, so we'll have it there for sale. The other great thing is this is a fundraiser for the Great Jazz Series that's in Columbia. I have for the We Always Swing Jazz Series, I say it in the press all the time that you folks get the best jazz per capita by far in the United States, so you're very fortunate. There's going to be auctions, there's going to be raffles. One prize that I think is very, very special is you can have dinner with the band. And band will entertain you because we're funny and we like to eat and we like to make people laugh and we'll have a good time. So January 26th, you should get your tickets now. I mean, I would really get your tickets soon because I think it's going to be sold out. Both shows, afternoon and evening. But in between, though, you can, again, sign up for the raffle to have dinner with the Matt Wilson Quartet and John Medeski. He's funny, too. All right. See you guys then. Thank you.